Hi, in this quick video I'm going to show you the BMW Z8 radio, and we just fixed it. And this radio is pretty rare, like 5,000 cars were sold worldwide, and this is a James Bond car. If you remember, it was featured in one of the movies with Pierce Brosnan. It was pretty nice, interesting car. It has an M5 engine, S62, and the radio is really rare. You cannot buy it from the dealer anymore, and if you can, it's like more than $2,000. We just fixed this radio and it's back to life. And from beginning, the symptoms were like no screen, no sound, of course nothing, totally that. Now you can see the thing is working, and the radio is working too. I don't want to make it loud because they're going to show you commercials otherwise. All right, that's what I wanted to show you. The really good function radio is back to life, and hopefully a happy client and everything else. So any questions, let me know. Thank you.